In the vast blue silence of the ocean, life moves in ways we rarely notice. Beneath the surface, far from the noise of the human world, an ancient traveler glides slowly across the sandy seafloor. A sea turtle, calm, steady, and seemingly alone. At first glance, nothing about this moment seems unusual. The turtle appears to be resting. Its shell, weathered and textured by years of ocean currents, looks like a natural extension of the reef itself. It pauses, still and grounded, as sunlight filters down through the water above. But look closer, there's movement beneath the shell. Small shapes shifting carefully in the shadows. Tiny fish, not just one, but several, tucked safely under the turtle's body, using the space beneath its shell as a living shelter. It's a hidden world within a world. This is one of the ocean's quiet survival strategies. A remarkable example of how marine life adapts in ways that are both subtle and extraordinary. Sea turtles have roamed the Earth's oceans for over 100 million years. They survived the extinction of the dinosaurs. They have witnessed the shifting of continents and the changing climate of our planet. Built for endurance, their shells are powerful armor, strong enough to protect them from many predators. But today, their shell serves another purpose. It becomes a refuge. For small fish in the open ocean, danger is everywhere. Predators patrol constantly, larger fish, reef hunters, and other opportunistic species always searching for an easy meal. In such an environment, size matters, and for these tiny fish, survival depends on finding protection wherever they can. Coral reefs provide shelter, rock formations offer hiding spots. But in open sandy areas, safe spaces are limited. So, when a sea turtle settles down on the ocean floor, it creates something rare, a moving shelter. The space beneath its body becomes a shaded sanctuary. A temporary shield against predators, a safe pause in an otherwise risky environment. And what's truly fascinating is that this behavior isn't random. In marine biology, this type of relationship is often described as commensalism. One species benefits while the other is neither harmed nor significantly helped. The turtle continues resting, unaware or unbothered by its tiny companions. Meanwhile, the fish gain protection and a higher chance of survival. It's a quiet agreement written not in intention, but in instinct. The fish instinctively recognize safety when they see it. The turtle instinctively tolerates their presence. And in that silent exchange, balance is maintained. But why would the turtle allow this? Sea turtles are generally peaceful creatures. Unlike many marine animals, they are not aggressive unless threatened. Their diet depends on species. Some feed on jellyfish, others on seagrass or sponges. These small fish are not a food source and they pose no threat, so there is no reason to drive them away. In fact, in some cases, small fish may even provide minor benefits, such as cleaning parasites from the turtle's skin. Though in this specific moment, the primary advantage clearly belongs to the fish. What we're witnessing is not just a cute or surprising scene. It's a glimpse into the complexity of marine ecosystems. Every part of the ocean is interconnected. Even a single resting turtle can influence the survival of multiple smaller creatures. Remove one piece and the ripple effect spreads. Sea turtles themselves face enormous challenges today. Despite surviving for millions of years, they are now considered vulnerable or endangered in many parts of the world. Habitat destruction, plastic pollution, fishing nets, climate change, all of these human-driven threats have placed immense pressure on turtle populations. When we see a turtle resting peacefully on the ocean floor, it represents resilience. But it also represents fragility because the ocean is changing faster than ever before. And moments like this, where a turtle unknowingly becomes a guardian, remind us of what's at stake. Imagine the perspective of those tiny fish. In the open ocean, they are exposed, vulnerable. Every shadow could be danger, but beneath this shell, there is calm. The turtle's size alone discourages predators from approaching too closely. The curve of the shell creates darkness, and in the ocean, darkness can mean safety. The fish hover gently, staying close to the protective edges. They move when the turtle moves, they pause when it pauses. It's almost like traveling with a bodyguard. Yet there is no communication, no spoken agreement. Only instinct and opportunity. Nature doesn't operate with contracts or negotiations, it operates with adaptation. This small moment also highlights something deeper about wildlife behavior. Intelligence isn't always about complex thought. Sometimes it's about recognizing patterns. Over generations, these fish species may have learned, through survival, that turtles represent safety. Those that stayed close lived longer. Those that didn't were more likely to be eaten. Natural selection does the rest. And over time, what began as coincidence becomes behavior. There's also something profoundly calming about watching a sea turtle at rest. Their movements are slow and deliberate. Their breathing steady. They carry an ancient energy, a reminder that life existed long before us and will, hopefully, continue long after. Yet today, the fate of these ancient creatures is closely tied to human action. Plastic waste often resembles jellyfish, a primary food source for some sea turtle species. When turtles mistake plastic for food, it can block their digestive system and lead to starvation. Fishing gear can entangle them, artificial lights on beaches can confuse hatchlings, leading them away from the ocean instead of toward it. So, when we see a healthy sea turtle in its natural habitat, we are witnessing something precious. And when we see other marine animals depending on it, even indirectly, we're reminded that protecting one species often protects many others. The ocean isn't just water. It's a network of relationships. Predator and prey, shelter and shelter seeker, strength and vulnerability. In this quiet underwater scene, all of those elements exist simultaneously. The turtle rests, the fish hide, life continues. And perhaps the most powerful part of this moment is how easily it could be overlooked. Without a closer look, we might only see a turtle on sand. But with patience, we uncover a story of cooperation, survival, and interconnected life. It's a reminder that nature's most incredible moments are often subtle. Not dramatic, not loud, but deeply meaningful. As the turtle eventually shifts and slowly moves forward, the fish adjust instantly, staying tucked in close, moving as a unit, protected beneath the curve of that ancient shell. And just like that, the sanctuary becomes mobile once again. A living, breathing shield drifting across the ocean floor. Incredible. So the next time you think of the ocean, think beyond the surface. Think of the hidden relationships. The quiet survival strategies, the unexpected guardians. Because sometimes what's hiding beneath the surface tells a far more powerful story than what we see at first glance. And in this case, beneath a single sea turtle's shell, we find a reminder of how beautifully connected life on Earth truly is. If you enjoyed discovering this hidden ocean moment, make sure to subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories from around the world. The ocean is full of secrets, and we're just getting started.